In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image in an email in Gmail. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, so you can turn any image in your email into a clickable link, just like a button on a website. This is really useful for things like newsletters, promotional emails, or even simple invitations where you want people to click an image to visit a website, a sign-up page, or a document. First, open Gmail in your web browser and start by composing a new email. You can either click Compose in the top left or open a reply to an existing conversation. Make sure you're using the full desktop version of Gmail, because some of these options don't appear the same way on mobile apps. Next, make sure your email body is set up the way you want. Type your message, add a subject line, and then place your cursor where you'd like the image to appear. This will help keep your layout clean and avoid moving things around later. Now, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Click the small image icon to insert a picture. Gmail will give you a few options. You can upload an image from your computer, choose one from Google Drive, or even paste a web URL if the image is hosted online. Select your image, wait for it to upload, and once it appears in the email, you're ready to turn it into a link. Here's the key part. Click once on the image so it's highlighted. You should see it outlined, and a small toolbar may appear under it. With the image selected, click the link icon in the main formatting toolbar. A box will pop up asking for a web address. Paste or type the URL you want your readers to go to when they click the image. This could be your website, a product page, a calendar link, or any other valid URL. After entering the link, click OK or Apply. Your image is now hyperlinked. To double-check, you can hover your mouse over the image, and you should see the link preview appear at the bottom of your screen or right under the image. Before you send the email, it's a good idea to send a test message to yourself. Open that test email, click on the image, and make sure it opens the correct page. If everything looks good, go back to your draft and send it to your intended recipients. And that's it. You've successfully hyperlinked an image in Gmail.